Blessed good morning, family. This is Country Girl from Real Jamaican Life. This morning, I did something, the flu season and the climate has changed regular. So, the flu and cold, common cold going around right now. And some of my children them catch cold. So I decided I'm going to make some home remedy. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the ingredients because I already blend them up already. Sorry, I never get to record that part there. But we have turmeric. Yeah, the natural turmeric, not the turmeric powder. Yeah, I have some turmeric, so I blend it with the garlic. Yeah, garlic. And the boss of the show, ginger. Yeah, so I mix up all of them together, blend them. And then I go boil them. Boil them in a maybe 2 cups of water, make it boil on to 1 cup. Yeah, and like give them a teaspoonful, like maybe twice a day. Yeah, but they do some already, and yeah, it work. Even the baby get it. So you can mix that with honey. The best thing if you mix it with it is honey. If you don't have the honey, you can use the regular sugar. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like when it all blends together. Right now, looking at this, I'm thinking about some ice cream, to make some ice cream with some. Yeah. But yeah, that is how I make my home remedy. Yeah. So when I have the flu, in a no time, that dry up, because the turmeric good for inflammation, and the ginger boost your immune system. The garlic now, natural antibiotic. Yeah. So that's about it. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and for liking, sharing, subscribing. I appreciate you all. Please continue to just share out the videos, like up the videos. Yeah. Enough blessings. Country Girl, Real Jamaican Life, out.